Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to talk about ADA, Cardano, targets and updates with my customer Crosser. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I already posted the Cardano video, but after that I deleted it because I realized there's no record screen what's going on in the chart. So it was just a glitch of OBS. So now I want to repeat the chart information what I shared in that video with tiny updates. So first of all, this is a global chart what I shared with you. I don't know, since the August 21. So this was the top, this support, 27 block, accumulation. We leave, yes, of course, we leave 2 liquidity pools, but it's not necessary. So we should drop and grab all of that liquidity now. So technically we rejected 23 over FIB. So we can say, yes, this basically the relevant FIB and all levels are relevant. If we will see some capitulation, some flash crash in the market, everything can happen, guys, in the market. So we have to be ready to see another drop to grab all of that liquidity. Once again, crash into 27 block, 32, 35, 11, 17. We can't know for sure we will not drop, or we can't know for sure we will drop, guys. We can work only with possibilities. Technically, I don't see any reason why we should drop so low. Of course, now we gotta like trade wars. We gotta that every single day, some posts, some trash talk from Donald Trump, and even yesterday crypto summit, the news about not the rumors, the news about they approved the crypto reserve absolutely not affect the price of BTC or any altcoins. So I don't know what rumors now we should get on the market so the alts will move higher. I don't know. Maybe some ETF like XRP ETF, Polkadot ETF, maybe ADA ETF. I don't know, but I don't see any new catalyst, any new narrative. Maybe AI, but AI nothing to do with the Cardano, for example. So zone of accumulation absolutely is still the same. Do I believe in new all-time high for this cycle for Cardano? Technically, yes. The targets can be $4.55. I don't believe in $10. I don't believe in I don't know, maybe $5 or so for Cardano. So conservative price target for Cardano is around $4.55. It's just by my personal feeling, my personal analysis, what I shared with you in previous videos and in this video. So at least we will see the correction to $1.92, $2.20. So this block is like a basic correction. With that drop in bounce or without, from current prices, we can go higher. XRP already here. Solana already been here. So why the ADA lagging? I don't know. Maybe nothing new for Cardano. Also, this is another chart what I shared with you previously, crypto ticker global chart since October 17. So this is a top, and I wait another top. 3 drives pad, a global one, historical one. So for me personally, the third top, like global monthly 3 drives pattern, looks logical. Should we hit that target? I can't know. When we will hit that target, also I can't know. I just marked the May 25, but I'm not sure. I don't know how exactly we should now pump in 2 months to $4.55. Let's be real, guys. Even if we talk about the 1st June, I don't see how we should build that 3 candles up. At least, yes, we can build that 2 candles up. It's to close this monthly gap, test $1.92, and test this block watermark also before, like, okay, zone for fixation, $1.92, $2.20. This is going to be the next one. So now, if this cycle extended and if we'll see something like this one, then summer consolidation chop, it can be around, I don't know, autumn 2025, the new high. If not, guys, we all wrecked, and maybe we'll see something like this one with altcoins for this run, because a lot of hype was around the myth about Supercycle. Yes, I truly believe the liquidity will inflow into altcoins, will outflow from the BTC, and BTC will hit new all-time high. But of course, it's just my personal feelings, my personal analysis. It's not something what you have to believe in it, right? You have to do your own analysis and work with your own money. We tested and closed the 50% of the monthly gap. Basically, why we should drop to the full field like 37 cents and lower, I don't know. I don't see any reason. But like you can see, the market reacts just on the news, on some tweets more than it reacts on some just basic, normal, healthy money inflow, money outflow. All right. So yes, technically I showed you the targets. Here we pump it, dump it, hold the line now at 0 level. So everything for me personally looks okay. Top, drop, consolidation. We consolidated here since the May 2022. So it's more than enough, I guess, at the time for everyone who wanna accumulate Cardano, accumulate as much as possible. ADZ I can show you because it's a crypto ticker here. This was a sell. Here's the accumulation. No signal to sell or so. No, nothing on weekly. So here's a capitulation, disbelief, pump. Capitulation, disbelief, pump. Now it's a hope. Monthly time frame, historical chart. This is not a fair year on the market on Cardano like it was in September 2021. So just in case. But guys, build the realistic price targets, because for example, from this current price, if you wait the new all-time high, it can be yes, good gains like 400%, 500%, but it's not like a 10,000% gains. So just in case, guys. Also, this is not a top of the top like it was here on a monthly. So globally, I don't think so. We will end the cycle for Cardano in just a hope zone. It's unlogical even. Money power trade on monthly here. 1, 2, 3, 4 months in a row, somebody accumulated in average price, I guess, around 30 cents. Yes, here, $1.30 they withdraw initial deposit, but without a money outflow. So we can track the money outflow like it was here. And it's not necessary, so they will withdraw the main cash, from the Cardano at the top. They cash out at March 2021 and then put the price higher. And after that, we get a signal to sell. Here's a buyback. 3 months, we get a signal to buy back, not a buy. Here was the RSI bullish divergence. Now we're at the top, but without signals to sell on the monthly. Here was sell, drop, no signal to buy, nothing. Money outflow, this one, no money inflow, nothing. So this is kind of bad, guys, because not so many positive signals for us. Less indicator trade on. This is what I don't like also for Cardano here. The buy line of Cardano now is 34 cents. Weekly time frame. Unfortunately, guys. So just be ready for that one. We already tested that 50% of the range between the buy line and fundamental value. It's good one. We got a signal to buy. We got a signal to take profit from that buy. We got a signal to sell. And again, buy line is 60 cents. Fundamental value of the stock and 44.97. So that's it. 12 time frame, buy line 54.34, fundamental value 40 cents. Of course, guys, I hate to see one more drop, one more chop. I hate to see, but we can't push the price higher just because we're retailers and we want to see the price higher. No. I already repeat. So the market makers, the whales, they don't care about the timing. So we can trade in this just tiny range, like between 22 cents and $1.20, maybe one more year. So guys, my zones, the top I explained you, zone of fixation profit I explained you, what my indicator shows I showed you. If you would like to trade with my customer request I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.